everyone, I greet you all according to your time. Hope you guys are doing good. As for me, I'm doing just great. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I made this beautiful hair for my daughter, and we are preparing for her birthday, so I decided to make something like this for her because anytime she's celebrating her birthday, we normally do ponytail package. So this year I decided to make something like this for her because after party we have to go back to school, so I did not really have that time to make another fresh hair for her. So I just decided to do this. This is the quickest way to make hair for children, and it's very easy, pick and drop. I'm trying to um, achieve that look of afro, because it's long anyway, but I can also use it for donuts, so that is what I'm trying to achieve here. It's very nice. You can achieve this hair maybe like 2 to half hour. You are done with this hair and you are good to go. It's very good, but normally I don't like using attachment for my daughter's hair from the beginning because her hair attachment normally damage her hair, but I just have to do this once in a while because if I want to add attachment to her hair, I have to start from natural hair. So at the end I will add attachment, because if I start from the attachment it's going to damage her hair. But this one is just for few weeks, so after that we'll go back to our normal way. So guys, if this is your first time, of course, coming across my video, please subscribe to my channel and also press that notification bell so that you receive a notification anytime I upload a new video. If you're my old returnees, thank you so much for keep coming to watch my video. Thank you all. Please keep sharing my video, like and comment. Like I always say, liking my video, that is the only way to show me love, that you love me. Like and share and leave your comment down below. Okay, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.